Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to make your AI writing sound human. This is huge because most people are creating robot content that nobody wants to read. I'll give you 5 proven steps that turn boring AI text into content that actually connects with people. It's simple, it works, and you can do it right now. Here's the problem. AI content sounds fake. People can spot it from a mile away. It's stiff, it's boring, it has zero personality, and Google is getting better at finding it too. But what if I told you there's a way to fix this? What if you could keep the speed of AI but make it sound like you wrote it yourself? I'm about to show you exactly how. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete system for turning robot text into content that actually works. Let me start with why this matters so much right now. AI content gets ignored. People don't trust it, they don't engage with it, and search engines are starting to punish it. If you're using AI and not humanizing it, you're wasting your time. But here's what most people don't know. The best content creators are already using AI. They're just making it sound human. And they're crushing it. So, how do you do it? I'm going to break it down into 5 simple steps. Each one builds on the last. By step 5, your AI content will be completely transformed. Step 1 is define your voice and teach the AI. This is where most people mess up. They just tell the AI to write something and hope for the best. That's amateur hour. Here's what pros do. They collect 2 to 4 examples of content that sounds like them. Could be old blog posts, could be emails, could be social media posts. Each example needs to be at least 200 words. Then they feed these to the AI and ask a simple question. Describe this voice in 6 bullets. The AI will give you a perfect breakdown of your tone, your style, your word choice, everything. Now you use this description as your system instruction. Every time you create content, you paste this voice guide first. This alone will transform your results. But we're just getting started. Step 2 is way more powerful. Step 2 is prompt like a human editor. Most people give terrible prompts. They say write a blog post about SEO. That's useless. The AI has no idea what you actually want. Here's what works. You give specific editing instructions. Replace formal phrases with casual ones. Add contractions. Include a short story. Remove generic phrases like in today's world. And here's the secret. Ask for multiple versions. Tell the AI to give you option A, super casual, option B, normal, option C, professional. This gives you choices and shows you what's possible. I use this exact approach for every piece of content. It's like having a personal editor who never gets tired. But even with great prompts, your content will still have AI fingerprints all over it. That's where step 3 comes in. Step 3 is remove AI patterns and add human signals. AI has tells. It loves bullet points. It uses the same sentence starters over and over. It explains everything twice. It hedges with phrases like, it's possible that. You need to hunt down these patterns and kill them. Replace formal language with simple words. Cut the over-explaining. Use active voice instead of passive. But removing AI patterns is only half the battle. You also need to add human signals. What are human signals? Personal examples, specific numbers and places, sensory details like I heard or I felt, questions that make people think, a bit of humor, even small imperfections like quick asides. These signals tell your brain this was written by a human. They're cognitive triggers that build trust and engagement. Here's an example. I might write the market is experiencing significant growth. A human would write sales are up 47% this month, and frankly, it's crazy how fast things are moving. See the difference? Specific number. Personal opinion. Conversational tone. That's what human signals look like. Now, if you're creating audio or video content, step 4 is crucial. Step 4 is design your voice and audio carefully. Text-to-speech has gotten amazing, but most people use it wrong. They just paste their script and hit generate. The result sounds like a robot reading a grocery list. Here's how to fix it. First, write your system prompt to include emotional cues. Tell the AI where to pause, where to add emphasis, where to speed up or slow down. For example, read this with excitement. Pause for half a second after each main point. Emphasize the word exactly when you say it. The difference is night and day. Your AI voice will sound natural and engaging instead of flat and boring. But here's what separates good content from great content. Step 5. Step 5 is human review and ethical transparency. Never publish AI content without a human looking at it first. Ever. AI makes stuff up. It gets facts wrong. It misses context that humans catch instantly. Your human review should do 3 things. Fact-check every claim. Add context and examples the AI missed. Fix the rhythm and flow. This is where authenticity gets locked in. A 10-minute human edit can make AI content 10 times better. And here's the ethics part. Be honest about using AI when you need to be. If you're doing journalism or documentaries or advertising, you might need to disclose AI use. If you're creating content that could mislead people about who wrote it, that's a problem. The rule is simple. Don't deceive people. Be transparent when it matters. Follow industry guidelines. Now, let me show you this in action with some real examples. Take marketing emails. Bad AI email sounds like this. We hope this email finds you well. We wanted to reach out about our exciting new product offering that could potentially transform your business operations. Humanized version sounds like this. Quick question. Are you tired of spending 3 hours every day on tasks a robot could do in 5 minutes? Because I just found something that might save your sanity. Same message, completely different feel. The humanized version gets opened, gets read, gets results. Here's another example. Documentary content. If you're using AI to generate scripts or narration, you need to be upfront about it. You need consent if you're using someone's voice. You need to fact-check everything. The Guardian has great guidelines for this. Follow their lead. Be ethical. Be transparent. Protect people's rights. So, what tools should you actually use for this? Start with the basics. Collect your voice samples manually. Feed them to your AI. Extract your tone bullets. This costs nothing and works perfectly. For editing, you can use tools like Editor Ninja or Humanize AI. But honestly, manual editing usually works better than one-click solutions. You have more control. For voice, 11 Labs has the best conversational text-to-speech. Their documentation shows you exactly how to control emotion and prosody. For ethics and transparency, follow the Guardian's guidelines for documentary work. Use academic guidance on responsible AI authorship. Make these your policy references. Here's your workflow. Prompts to editor, to text, to speech, to human editor, to publish. Each step builds on the last. Each step makes your content more human. Let me give you the exact prompts I use. For voice extraction, here are 3 articles I wrote. Summarize the author's voice in 6 short bullets covering tone, sentence length, favored words, and humor level. For humanizing content, rewrite this AI draft to sound like a friendly, slightly witty entrepreneur. Keep it under 350 words. Use contractions. Add 1 short personal example. Remove any generic phrases like in today's world. Show me 2 versions for spoken content. Read this script with a calm, confident tone. Emphasize the key point in sentence 3. Pause for half a second after each subheader. These prompts work because they're specific. They give the AI exactly what you want. No guessing, no generic output. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just about tricking people into thinking a human wrote your content. It's about creating content that actually connects with humans. Humanized AI content gets better engagement. It builds more trust. It ranks better in search engines. It drives more conversions. When you humanize your AI content, you're not just changing the words, you're changing how people feel when they read it. And here's the thing about feelings. They drive action, they create customers, they build businesses. So yes, use AI to create content faster. But don't stop there. Take the extra 10 minutes to make it human. Your audience will thank you. Your business will thank you. And you'll sleep better knowing you're creating content that actually matters. Remember, the goal isn't to fool people. It's to create content that serves people, content that helps them, content that connects with them. That's how you win with AI content in 2025 and beyond. If you want to take your SEO and content strategy to the next level, I've got 2 things for you. First, book a free SEO strategy session. The link is in the comments and description. We'll analyze your site and show you exactly what's holding you back from ranking number 1. Second, join SEO Elite Circle. Rank number 1. Get more customers. Make money with AI SEO. Grab the AI SEO Playbook we used to grow from 0 to 145,000 monthly visitors and steal the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.